Today we are going to learn English first poem, Topsy Turvy Land. Topsy Turvy Land, the land which is upside down, means total opposite land. That land we are going to learn from this poem. This land is totally different from our land, and that poem is written by H.E. Wilkinson. So let us know about warm-up activity. In that, think of an imaginary place, city or town which is very different from the one in which you live now. Means now we are living this place we knows, but imagine there is different type of places there on the earth or another planet, and you should think about it and how you can do imagination of it and tell to other you can do this. Then describe the things that would be different in this place. What is different this place of our place? Means how that new place is different than our place we want to describe, and discuss this with your friend. So you want to share your ideas with your friend, but you want to do imagination, and same this imagination is given in this poem that we are going to learn, and this is written by H.E. Wilkinson. He is a poet. So let us learn this poem. First stanza. The people walk upon their head. So in this poem, or in this topsy-turvy land, people are walking upon their heads. So you can look in this picture, the people walking with the use of their heads. Then the sea is made of sand. Generally sea is made of water, but here sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night. Generally we are going to school at day, but here students are going to school by night in topsy-turvy land. This is upside down type of land, means all these things are their opposite. Then next stanza. The front door step is at the back. Front door's step, generally our house step is front side of our door, main door, but here that step is at the behind of house. You are walking when you stand. When you can walk when you are going to stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. And there is the people, you can look some boys and girls, those are standing upon their heads and they wear hat on the feet. So like that type of different type of topsy-turvy land. Then third stanza. And buses on the sea you will meet. Generally buses are moving on the road, but here the buses on the sea. by waterway that buses are going, while pleasure boats are planned. But there are some pleasure boats, means the boats used for fun and relaxation, means by that boats are different and that is used for fun and relaxation, means for fun those boats are using, and to travel up and down the street that boats are going on the streets. It is different of topsy-turvy land, and all these things are opposite. Buses are moving by the waterway and boats are going on the road. Then last stanza, you pay for what you never get, means whenever you are paying some money to other, you are getting something from that shopkeeper, otherwise anyone from else. But here, if you want to pay anyone, you are nothing get anything in the topsy-turvy land. I think it must be grand. That poem is totally different, and poet is saying it is wonderful. Everything, whatever it is in this land, it is really wonderful. For when you go, you are coming back. And generally, if you want to go anywhere, you are coming back. This is the happen only in topsy-turvy land. You want to go anywhere, you are coming again back. It is happen in the topsy-turvy land. This is of imaginary topsy-turvy land which we have learned from this poem, and this is written by H.E. Wilkinson, and it is very wonderful, and you have to imagine same as like that type of poem and express your view about this type of lands. So you have to sing that poem. Thank you and have a nice day.